Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all of you. Respected my teachers and present all my dear friends. I'm gonna speak you today on Independence Day. Independence Day in India is the most important day for every Indian citizen as our country got freedom from the British rule. We celebrate this day every year on 15th of August from 1947. Our country is counted as the world's largest democracy all over the world. India became an independent country on 15th of August in 1947 after sacrifices of thousands of freedom fighters such as Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, Mahatma Gandhi,